Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix GoDaddy email when it's not receiving emails. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and solve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your spam and junk folders. Sometimes legitimate emails get filtered. Open your email account, go to spam or junk, and see if emails are there. Mark them as not spam if you find any. Step 2. Verify email account settings. Make sure your email address is correctly configured in GoDaddy. Check inbox settings, forwarding, and filters that might block incoming emails. Step 3. Check domain and DNS settings. Go to your GoDaddy account and verify that your domain's MX records are correctly set up for your email plan. Incorrect MX records can prevent emails from arriving. Step 4. Clear email app cache or refresh. If you're using an email app on your phone or computer, clear the cache or refresh the inbox. Restart the app and try receiving emails again. Step 5. Test email by sending from another account. Send a test email from a different email address to your GoDaddy account. If it doesn't arrive, note any bounce back messages to understand the error. Step 6. Contact GoDaddy support. If none of the above works, contact GoDaddy support with your domain details. They can check server issues or account settings that might be causing the problem. And that's it. These steps should help you fix GoDaddy email not receiving messages. If this guide helped you, please like and subscribe for more quick tech solutions.